start, ladies and gentlemen. We've given you 5 minutes now to take photographs. We've given you 5 minutes to appreciate the beautiful engineering which is happening for me this afternoon. So what I'm going to do, just before we get going, like I said, in a minute we're going to do a really game, you know, that's about 2 minutes. So I'd just like to highlight the fact that we are not allowed to smoke in the arena. Because smoking in the arena is very dangerous. The ground is dry, we haven't had any rain for a long time. And the grass is very, very flammable. So you can't smoke in the arena. So all of the English people, you must really remember, don't smoke in the arena. Because if you smoke, you might capsize the field. And we don't want to do that because everybody's here having a wonderful time. It's perfect. Yes! How dare you! Be very careful. We have me just sitting around, you know. Keep silent. He calls my laugh amazing. As I said, look at this beautiful example of English engineering from 100 to 130 years ago. Traction engines, steam rollers, model engineering times 50, 60, 70, people that are building themselves. What a wonderful example. Just take a moment to take it all in. I've just saying about smoking. There seems to be an extreme amount of smoke coming from the arena. Oh my goodness! Well, I have just put this out on the internet here, saying you're not allowed to do it over the summer. What's happening? There's smoke, there's flames. I'm appalled. I can't believe you're actually taking this on you. What's happening? Why are you appalled when I'm smoking? You can go and go. That's the whoopie program. Well, the loop's up. Well, it's not acceptable here to stay in the arena because, as I said, the grass is dry. The real thing is that the grass is dry, they're going to catch fire. If you're not careful, I'll eventually put it out. I can't put it out because otherwise I'm going to see things. Well, if we're not going to put it out, what are we going to have to do is call the fire brigade? I'm going to call the fire brigade! Ladies and gentlemen, let's bring the fire brigade in to extinguish the flame! Well, you can't smoke this pipe in the arena! Extinguish him! What a hooligan, what a reprobate! You're going to make the area safe! Do it safe! Don't smoke your pipe in the arena! Well, I don't need to smoke because otherwise we're going to be safe! I think the man has been fully extinguished. What do we think, ladies and gentlemen? Is he extinguished enough? I think he is. They're putting him out. Well, it's a great job, isn't it? They're putting his pipe out now. What am I going to do now? Well, you're probably going to be a lot better in the health condition. Too late now, I'm too old for that way. Well, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Give a big round of applause to our local fire brigade. Yes, they did a great job, didn't they? Attractive, efficient, what a legend, really cleaning up their own rubbish. And they say a wonderful thing for not having fires and not having any danger. I can't believe it, it's a great success. Despite this being an attractive engine event, they've managed to bring vintage vehicles and fun to it. If you get 5 minutes, have a great look at this fire engine. This machine was brought by my friend Harry last week. It's only a week we've had it a week. It's quite good to look after each change here on a state of basis. It's also made here in a state for everybody because poor old Graham can't smoke his pipe in here. Right, what are we going to do now? We're going to ask all the steam engine owners to give us a great big whistle to appreciate what kind of engines they've got here today. The whistle is an order standing device, we all know what a haul is on a car, machine, infer from them how passionate and how wonderful they are. So if everybody here with their steam engines would like to give us a great whistle, I'd love to hear it. Wouldn't we, ladies and gentlemen? We'd love to hear it. Ian, let me think of that, Ian. locate where the spot was. You can take the tire off, that noise you hear, that, you send that out and it will rebound off the spot. You know where the lights are in the course and you can't see on a sea destroyer. They've been introduced as modern heavy extraction engine type stuff, which is a really good tough thing to have. But the whistles here are 100% original. So what we're going to do now, we're going to ask all the steam engineers that don't want to participate in the steam games to leave the arena. And the ones that would like to stay, have a mess around, and make everybody laugh. They are more than welcome to stay. And we'd love about 4 of them to come up and line up across the bottom end of the arena here. They might just be coming in champions. And they're going to do a ladder race. So, many of you have seen it done before. We'll know what a ladder race is. Just the one to go. We all know what a race is. A race is a game, running or driving or riding a motorcycle. And you're going to get a first one, you're going to fly a race, stop. You're going to get a person last to the other side of the arena. So bear in mind, most of the machines are over 100 years old, we're going to be cycling. So instead of racing, we're going to put them over on this side and be the last one across the other side of the arena. As I said, we're letting the ones go that don't want to do it, but the ones that do it, like the line up over the top of the floor, that would be fantastic. Yes, welcome to Pastimes everybody. Everyone really lovely afternoon. Thank you for calling City Wagons. We're obviously packaging back, plate and chips. And we're going today to set up consequently, we still have to provide all of the rules and regulations to the city engines do. They have to have an annual test with the board inspector. They have every 10 years have to take the parts, checked up thoroughly. They have to have road car license, they have to be registered, they have to be insured. And they're quite a lot of fun actually. These little engines can go up to 14 miles an hour on the road, but that is a bit scary when you've got potholes, capsize and other road users. So we tend to be a little bit more cautious, but you can a lot of family, a lot of grandchildren, a lot of dogs, and we can have a lot of fun with them. Thank you very much. What a great example here, being from the actual owner and driver of this engine here. Tell us what it's like. As you said, the safety aspect, many of these engines, they've all got speed boilers, as we know. You have to have them checked. Like you have to have your car checked from an MOT, these have to have a steam MOT. There's a man that comes out, a boiler inspector, a private individual, who is appreciated to be able to test the pressure, test the brake valve, and test the everything works perfectly. So there's an old-fashioned system of protection that blow up. Actually, it was the wrong time, they can't. And even is a great example of actually being extremely stringent on their testing. So none of these machines are just, believe it up, they're not doing anything. This is good, here we've got the safety valve going on. You're like an example of letting it out place from the boiler. People in there, they let it out. Well, whilst I'm doing something seems to be snowing in the background. We just look at these running in clothes, these engines at half-life now. There seems to be some people doing something. They've got a clipboard, they've got white overalls, and they've got some kind of testing devices. But what is going on over here? I'm not sure I want to get involved. I want you to back up a bit. I'm still, coming for me. I don't want to be doing it, I don't speak to you. What's happening?
We've come down from Westminster, from the Ministry of Misery, and we've come down that tarmac road as far as it ends at Blimwell on the A21, and we've heard people are having fun here in Sussex. Well, it is our duty bound of Westminster Ministry men to stop this frivolity. Look at it, people enjoy themselves. We don't like to enjoy ourselves, do we, ladies and gentlemen?
I think you do like to enjoy yourselves. Ladies and gentlemen, let's show these people how much we like to enjoy ourselves. What do we think? I these bureaucrats. What's on us like this and putting misery to our amazing event here?
And I tell you what, we can have fun in London, but not in Sussex. This is definitely going to be cancelled, particularly this engine here.
Which one?
Well, Radio 205.
Well, let's go and find out. What do you think?
Oh, you said that's just totally unacceptable. Not on at all. It's now locked down.
We can't do this. I absolutely protest against your advances to our fun. You know what? Here, let's show these people what we're actually doing. Here we go. That is exactly what we think of the non-fun-loving people of the bureaucrats. There's a non-fun-loving bureaucrats out here. We are not susceptible to their threats. If you would like to leave now, we are just showing you our in power. We shall return to London distances. Now the thinking, what do you think, ladies and gentlemen? We can't have no fun, can we? Let's get rid of them. Out you go, you're Spanish, you're Spanish. I hate you, brother. What we're all about is having fun. So right to the beginning, a little history lesson. How all of these steam rallies started was a great man called Arthur Napper. And he raced the factions against another faction in 1952 in a field. It was called a wager for ale. So the whole village was there for about drinking. Got a bit of dramatic. But it's all about having fun. So what he did, he challenged his neighbour to a race with steam engines in his field. And the winner had to buy the beer at the local pub. Isn't that a fantastic tribute to our hobby here? 78 years later, from 1952, to what we're doing here. And we're just about to do the slow race. This is one of the original races that they actually did it rally. Although we did it as a pub race, we're doing it as a slow race. So as I said, we park all the engines up on one side of the arena. And what's going to happen? They're going to race each other to the opposite side of the arena, and it's going to be the last one that is the winner. It sounds very simple. In your car, you can use your clutch, you can use your brakes. Technology is simple. These old machines here, none of them weigh under 10 pounds, they're all 10 pounds above. If some of them have got single cylinders, you can't start them, and you need to really be still to get the machine going. But the trick is to not let the machine stop. Being like most of you will notice they've all got flywheels. These great wheels on top of the boilers, to the left of the engine, these flywheels are what the engine drives. You mustn't let that flywheel stop, otherwise you stall it. Has anybody... Why? Has it happened to ever stalled the car? Happened, has your wife ever stalled the car? Maybe they have. Yeah? Somebody over here definitely has. Yeah, definitely. So you mustn't stall the engine. That's one of the rules of the game. Also, you've got to keep going in a straight line. You can't double back, you can't drive over to the beer tent. And literally, as I said, it's the last one to the outside of the arena. So all you do is just check if everybody's paying attention by blowing your whistle. Everyone paying attention? Nothing happened here. Okay. All they are to say, last one to the outside of the arena is the winner. 1, 2, 3, off we go! Right, now to get started. Oh, the person's just off. As I said before, I'm going to down off. These guys are beautiful back over here. What a great example of saying. A couple of patients, really well turned out properly. That in the corner there, people doing it. Just got going. He's that driver there. He's got one of them hacking up their driving. He's an expert driver. Doing a good job. In the middle, we've got a speedway on a big line mark. Lionheart doing a full-size version of a straight path, which makes their path longer, they're more likely to win. That's all cheating. We've got a wonderful example of a 8-horse tractor here in the Bristol Flyer. This guy named Matthew Yeoman. He really participated yesterday, he really enjoyed himself. Never seen a man smile more than yesterday. Look at the skill, look at the pep of his face to get the old machine going slow. Well done, Matt, you're a great job. Coming forward now, over here, we've got Cecilia. Sorry, we've got Barry Ford on my right, Cecilia on my left. Both ABC bowls are messing about. This is what we have to come to expect in this race. I try to be efficient and film as possible, but what happens, they always win the rule, but they're having a great time. There you go, loads of speeding, loads of shoulders, loads of going on. We've also got here my old mate Jack. Jack is driving a German engine. As I was saying earlier about the case made in America, Germans also manufacture traction engines. This traction engine is made by a company called Kemna. You'll notice it's different. It's slightly different to our company already. It's doing out of the parade. We've got some design going on here. Somebody's chasing somewhere else. It's not a factory, it's not again. They're faster. The Kemna is actually the lead at the back. Here's the ladies and gentlemen, the flywheel. It's the constant speed. That's the skill of the driver, making the machine go round at a gentle average speed. All the others are doing great, let's have a look what happens around the side.
we've got a boat with a block under it, so as I was saying about sabotage, people like to put wooden blocks under the wheel. Look at himself burning rubber. Then what's happening? He doesn't know. You know what's behind, neither do I. This is outrageous. Total sabotage, isn't it? It shouldn't be allowed, should it? Shouldn't be allowed. One of the crews back here, we've got Max, Lucia and all over here. Everybody's doing their best to mess me about, which is great. I like it. Camera at the back, doing a wonderful job, Jack. Jack, how are you getting on? Yes, alright. Yes, it's alright. Legendary. The boating, I think, is disqualified because it's been doing the wheel spins and stuff. The bowl stopped, as I said, you can't stop the blower. You can't stop the blower, otherwise that's disqualification. But the last one to make it across this side of the arena is the Kemner. So ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Jack and Michael on the Kemner engine. Thank you very much, you are the winners today. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? I said, back to skill, back to tuition of driving these big old machines, making it go slow and keeping it constant. It might seem simple, but it's harder than you think. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to have a little shuffle around, and we're going to do